is Jilan and I'll guide you through the process of creating a standard invoice template. So first click on admin from the side menu and scroll down till you find print templates and click on new template from the top right corner from the template tab and enter a name and select a template type. For example, standard invoice and the template type, and decide if this template will be default option by selecting yes or no. Then add your company logo. Then tick the columns you would like to appear on the invoices from the line item table. Then write the terms and conditions if provided. Then upload the file of the signature or the stamp if there is any. After that, go ahead and select create template, and that's how you create a standard invoice template in Ewity. Thanks for watching and thank you for using Ewity Point of Sale.